Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we want to talk about the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, who said that Canadian government should go to hell for denying visa to the Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa. Christopher Musa revealed that he and several others, military officers, were denied visa to visit Canada for a program. Now that's what we want to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, has said that Canadian government, they can go to hell for denying Christopher Musa, General Christopher Musa, the Chief of Defense Staff, visa to their country. And of course, Canada did that because the Nigerian government, especially the military, is allegedly notorious for violation of human rights in its areas of military operation. Now, when we talk about all these things, that the quest for security in Nigeria must go hand in hand with ensuring the rule of law, ensuring the protection of rights of Nigerians. People think that the world is not watching. What this has shown is that the world is watching this government, this military, and there is a need for them to do the right thing. You recall that recently there was a report by the Amnesty International that hundreds of Southeast youths are being abducted, are being killed, allegedly by Nigerian military officials in the conduct of military operations. And Amnesty International had cried out that a lot of young men from Southeast Nigeria are disappearing. Nobody's talking about it. And it's not only in the Southeast that Amnesty International has pointed out about alleged violation of rights, operation with impunity. It's not only in the Southeast. In fact, Southeast is even less of what is going on, because according to Amnesty International, all these things happening in the Southeast is even worse in the Northeast and in the Northwest, especially in the Northeast. According to Amnesty International, a lot of young men are being rounded up and taken as Boko Haram, and they are not being tried to ensure that the due process is followed. What does this mean? It's an indication that the government of Nigeria is not something to grandstand, to say Canada go to hell, United States go to hell. It is something that they need to correct. How do you balance law and order with human rights enforcement? And the Nigerian government has failed woefully in that direction. And this is an indication that the world is watching. And it won't be the last, because things like this keep on happening. And the international community will show their hand to say, we're also watching what you are doing in your country. Now, if you can also situate it in what is happening to Samuel Ekpa, the detained Prime Minister of Biafra in exile, who is in detention in Finland. You discover that Nigerian government applied for him to be deported or extradited to Nigeria to come and answer terrorism charges. Why that didn't work, why that failed woefully, was also because of the way Nigerian government is treating Nnamdi Kanu's case. When the lawyers of Simon Ekpa presented in Nnamdi Kanu's case, how he was abducted from Kenya to Nigeria against all known international law. Nigerian government treated it with levity. Even the United Nations Human Rights Council in 2022 told the administration, in fact, after they look at the case of Nnamdi Kanu, they said that it was an illegality, that the Nigerian government should release Nnamdi Kanu immediately because his right was violated ab initio by the way they abducted him from Kenya to Nigeria. Even the courts in Nigeria have also said that the abduction was against the law of Nigeria too, and against international law. What we see, the whole thing is still a drama that everybody is watching here in Nigeria. Nobody knows how it's going to end. So that was why it was laughable when Nigerian government was telling Finland to extradite Simon Ekpa, who is a Finnish citizen. All they have to do was to just remind the court how Nigeria is notorious for violation of human rights. And there was no, in fact, the government of Nigeria stopped asking for that. In fact, Nuhu, the president, was even happy that at least they are trying him over there, knowing that they cannot bring him back home because of Nigeria's notorious record. But it's not supposed to be like that. Nigeria has to show that it's a responsible member of the international community. You are a signatory to the United Nations Human Rights Council. And the Human Rights Council of the United Nations looked at the matter of Nnamdi Kanu. You didn't obey it as signatory to it. You disregarded it. And then when tomorrow you are punished, when you want to participate in a program abroad, you start to grandstand that they should go to hell. It means that Nigeria don't want to be a responsible member of the international community. That's my take on this. So to me, the National Security Advisor may think that they are grandstanding, but the international community, Canada in particular, has again reminded them to do the right thing. What do you think about this? What is your view about what happened to the Chief of Defense Staff, that he was denied visa? He was angry, of course. The National Security Advisor is unhappy. What is your response? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.